Welcome to Denia!
We're here for 24 hours.
We're going to show you guys some of the top scenes here in Denia. Of course, food and booze included.
Absolutely. We're going to go find some fresh seafood and show you guys around the town for 24 hours, see what you can do and how Denia looks like.
So join us. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, what's up guys? So we made it to Denia. We're here on the marina. We are at Mediterranean, restaurant recommended from our hotel. And they have fresh catch of the day, so we got that along with some, supposed to be a really good salad with some papaya and some other stuff on there. So gonna have some cervezas, show you the food.
Local fresh prawns. So this one is white. They have a red and white. We ordered the white ones. All right. Ooh, make sure you suck up the head. I'm gonna peel this. Wow, look at that. It's sweet, tender, very mild flavor, but so sweet. It's coconut dressing with shrimp, tuna, grapefruit, avocado. Look at this beautiful presentation. Oh yeah.
Look at this fish. We came here because we wanted grilled fish, not on the flat top. So it looks like they have grilled this. Wow. Look at these veggies. Yum. Get a piece of this fish. Some of that broccoli. Oh wow. Flaky, freshly caught today, straight off the grill. Veggies are delicious as well. Yum. Definitely come here.
Super flaky, so yummy. So what do you say?
Okay guys, we just left Mediterranean. Fabulous food.
Delicious. They're definitely on the pricey side, but it's worth it.
Yeah, I think our bill was 60 some euro.
Yeah.
But the fish was literally probably the best fish I've had in Spain in 10 months. So it was it was just really flaky and juicy and grilled, and the vegetables were delicious. So really, really good.
I think the portion's pretty decent too. I mean, their prawns were, so we got white prawn, which is white prawn and red prawn. They're both known in Denia. The red ones are the expensive one.
They were double the price.
We couldn't justify €4 a piece prawn. We may find a cheaper place, but and it was still delicious, I think.
Guys, we don't have 100,000 subscribers. Help us get there so we can eat the red prawns.
Once we get there, we'll be eating the red prawns.
So we're gonna explore Denia a little bit more and show you guys what is here. So let's go. Let's try this place out.
Come to Denia.
Oh boy, we could have sat there all day.
Guys, it's so nice. The sun's hot and it's right by the ocean. There's breeze. It
Those
feels
big beds.
awesome.
Those big beds.
Yes.
I'm catching a tan, getting rid of my farmer's tan over there.
I'm getting too tan, like almost getting burned.
But the show has to continue. We just can't stay there all day.
Show must go on.
24 hours, we do anything for you
Yep.
guys. So let's go see what else we got. We're gonna go check into our hotel right now and show you guys the room. Doggies! Hi! I don't know where you go.
Alright, it seems like we picked a great, well, Josh picked a great hotel room. Credit goes to the husband.
Oh, thanks, babe. So we have beautiful views here, as you see, here on the marina, here in Denia.
Right on. So the beach here is better. Well, at least what we think is better is a sandy beach right here. Look how calm it is. It's actually sandy. So I'm gonna go get myself a little bit. Wow, the water temperature actually doesn't feel too bad. It is super shallow water. As far as you can walk. I'm liking it. Actually, a lot. I don't have a bathing suit, but I'll just enjoy it with my shorts. But
Someone drew dinosaurs in the sand. Look out, people.
super nice.
Beautiful.
Amazing. I have a hair on my forehead. I can't get it.
All right, guys. That was the beach here in Denia.
Very cool.
Yeah.
You're walking around on the town, seeing some beautiful beach. Super relaxing here.
Definitely. So, you know what time it is. It's pit stop time. We're gonna go get some food, some drinks. It's only 6 o'clock, so the Spaniards aren't eating yet.
Nope, it's not dinner time yet.
But it is tapas time. So,
Yep.
we're gonna go see what we can find. Come with us.
Secret passage. I can't even like stretch my arms right here.
I don't know if anything's open. It's tapas time, but
Pretty empty.
it's pretty empty here, guys. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to find any tapas. We have a cool spot. All right,
We're gonna pick one.
let's pick one. Guys, we're at Gaudi here in Denia. One of my subscribers in particular wanted to see me drink some bourbon. So I do have some Four Roses and a Manhattan. Cheers. Very cool. Look at this. Wow.
Super cool little complex of all the cool restaurants. Big chunk
Oh,
of dry aged beef. Looks like if you're a big food lover, you definitely have to come here.
Very cool.
have Japanese street food. Some Spanish tapas, pinchos. Thai place.
Ooh, Thai.
There's like a lot of different Asian cuisine right here.
Oh, puppy, look out. Chicha.
Chicha. So chicha.
Hot dogs.
Oh, cool.
And bars. Aww.
These are so hot.
Pasta. Speakeasy. The speak.
Wow.
It doesn't look like many of the restaurants are quite open yet.
Not just yet, but guys, it's like.
Yeah, it's just not quite dinner yet. So.
But I can say everything looks so cool here.
Yeah.
Very hip. and
Love it.
something different.
I love it.
Yeah, it's just like cool complex here for sure.
Wow.
Makes Denia much cooler, more than just the beach town. It's
Yeah.
like looks like a big foodie central. So
Yeah. I mean, look at there are like 20 restaurants here.
yeah.
That's awesome. I love it. So let's try something.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We are at La Pinchoteca. These guys specialize in grilled skewered meat. So, if you see the menu here, we have some cool different ones. We're gonna try a couple. It looks delicious. This place is so cool. So, we have some beers coming, food coming right up. Look at this!
Pretty pretty chicken.
Oh man, spicy. The sauce is spicy. The chicken is marinated. Fabulous flavor. This is so good. Masita. Thank you so much for watching this video on Denia. We hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, beautiful Denia. It was a short, but it was certainly a beautiful one.
So in the morning we're heading up to see Hodu. We can't wait to see her. But we hope that you enjoyed eating and drinking with us today and seeing all of the beautiful beaches and everything that Denia has to offer.
Yeah, certainly recommend. If you are especially visiting Valencia, Altea, Denia, there's so many beautiful cities to see. Highly, highly recommend it. If you like this video, you know what to do? Hit the subscribe button.
It's right there.
Yeah.
Just hit it.
If you also like it, hit that like button and comment below. Let us know what you think about this video. We love hearing from you.
So until next time, guys, hasta luego.
Hasta luego.